Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss with you statistics in singular sense. What is the meaning of statistics in singular sense? Because in our previous video I have told you that statistics is both singular and plural. Statistics in singular sense refers to statistical methods. Now question arises, what does statistical method refers to? Statistical methods are regarding collection, organization, presentation, analysis, and interpretation of data. So, there are 5 stages of statistical method. First, collection. Second, organization. Third, presentation. Fourth, analysis. And fifth, interpretation of data. So when we talk about singular sense of statistics, we are talking about these 5 stages of statistical methods: collection, organization, presentation, analysis, and interpretation of data. According to Croxton and Cowden, statistics may be defined as a science of collection, organization, presentation, analysis, and interpretation of numerical data. Now let us understand these 5 one by one. First, collection of data. This is the first stage in statistical inquiry. So data should be collected by the investigator himself or obtained from published or non-published sources. Second step is organization of data. After the collection of data, next step is to organize the collected data. Data that are collected by investigator need to be organized according to the purpose of inquiry. Next, third step is presentation of data. Data collected and organized are presented in some systematic manner to make it clear for the user. Tables, diagrams, and graphs, etc. can be used to present the data. Next step is analysis of presented data. Various methods are used to analyze the data, such as averages like mean, median, mode, dispersion, correlation, etc. interpretation of data, which is last step of statistical methods. Interpretation of data implies the drawing of conclusions on the basis of analysis of data. On the basis of these conclusions, certain decisions can be taken. So briefly, statistics in singular sense mean data properly collected, organized, presented, analyzed and interpreted. In our next video, we will discuss about statistics in plural sense. If you have liked the content of the video, please like the video and don't forget to subscribe if you have not yet subscribed it. To learn more, get Lalit Mishra's Commerce Concepts Plus subscription just at Rs 499.